Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the natural gas price has moved in the last week and how the natural gas price can move in the next week. Okay, and this coming week. So now if you look at the chart, what you can see, the natural gas price has moved upside as well as downside. Okay, it has shown quite a good volatility. Okay, and if you look at the chart, we have seen that twice it was moving in a particular range. Once it was moving in a particular in a upside trend. After that it has moved in this range, and from there it has come down and now has moved in this particular zone. Whenever it has moved in in a particular zone and we have seen a breakout, we have seen that there is a sharp fall. And if you look at this trend also, we have seen that after crossing this particular trend, it has made a high for particular month since December, and now it is trading at around, see, after that also a profit booking has come and we have seen a fall till 3.953. okay, now what we can see that it is trading at around 4.054. okay, so what we can see in the next week, see, it has made a high of around 6514 in the month of around starting month of October 2022, and from there we have seen it is continuously the downside. Okay, so what we can see here, before that, if you have any doubt regarding natural gas, you can mail me, or any commodity you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in natural gas is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. Okay, I'm making short video, not very long, so please watch it full so that you will understand what we can do while trading also, and whether to invest or no. Okay, now look at the chart. See, what we can see that this is the particular range, and the range high was around 4.049. okay, and after breaking this particular range, we have seen it made a high of around 4.491. okay, and from there we have seen a sharp fall. Now if you look at the chart, we can see that it has making a cup pattern. Okay, so it is making a cup pattern, so probability is very high that we can see if it sustain this level, a level of 4.05. okay, 4.040. if it sustain this level, or if it goes above a level of 4.058, we can see it can go and touch a level of 0.121. okay, and from there if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 0.121, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 4.220. okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 4.283, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see a probability of touching 4.419 and to a level of 4.82 is very high. okay, so now if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 4.744, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 4.970. okay, and if suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 5.069 also, and once if it comes in this particular zone, then we can see it will move for a period of time in this zone and can touch a level of 4.096, and from there we can see a level of 5.205. okay, and if it goes above this level, then we can see a level of 5.449, and then the probability of going towards 5.7 is very high. okay, and if suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see a level of 5.909, and from there we can see a level of 6.603. okay, and then we can see it can go and touch a level of 6.37 also, and this is already tested here, so chances of going towards high is very high, and then probability we can see a profit booking will come at this particular zone of around 6.533. so as of now I cannot see that it can move to this particular high in just a week, but as of now I can see a trend. If it sustain this level, a level of 4.058 or to a level of 0.422, we are seeing the bullish side if it goes above this level, but this is my personal view. okay, so now if you look at the chart, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, okay, the probability of going down towards 4.02 is high. If it goes below this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 4.985. suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 3.949, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go fall further to a level of 3.868. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 3.778. Okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 3.696, and if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 3.633. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, and these levels are already tested here, so chances if it goes below a level of 3.687, we can see it can come down to 3.606, and this level is already tested, so chances of going towards a level of 3.507 is very high. Keep this in mind. If the price goes below a level of 3.678, probability of going down 3.57 is high, and probability of touching 3.56 is high, and these levels are already tested here, so we can see it can go fall further and can touch a level of 3.380, and it can go further low. Okay, because these levels are already tested here, and if you look at this particular zone, this support is tested 2-3 times, 3.5, so probability of going to downside is very high. We can see a level of 3.407 to a level of 3281. okay, and if I show you 5-year chart, you can see the probability of going down will be high if it goes below a level of 3.5 and can touch a level of 3.433, and if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 3.255, and if it goes below this level, we can see a level of 3.143. suppose if the price didn't sustain this level also, then we can see a level of 2.954, and from there we can see a level of 2.731. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go fall further to a level of 2.441, and from there we can see a level of 2.251, and then we can see further low in the crude in the natural gas. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Now understand one thing: if you are trading with $10,000, trade with 10 to 15% of per trade. Keep this in mind. Okay, and risk should be 0.5 to 1%. Why? Because if you are trading with $1,000, your risk will be $50 to $100. So that what you can do is, suppose if the price if your stop loss hit 3 times, if you are trading for 5 times and stop loss at 3 times, then you know your risk, but the reward can be bigger, because if you keep trailing your asset, you can get a big reward. Okay, so understand one thing in trading: mind psychology is very important. If you want to attend my workshop, you can mail me, one in a group I teach, and just let me know. Okay, so regarding this, any doubt, you can mail me, or any commodities or forex. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.